Hello. I hope I'm live. But yeah, no. So maybe as a quick explanation of what I'm planning to do. Okay, now it's working. As a quick explanation of what I'm going to do is, I was flipping through my old How to Draw Scott Robertson's book a while ago, and in it there was a mention of this program called Alchemy. It's pretty old at this point. I don't think it's an active development anymore, but nonetheless, it seems really interesting to play around in. There wasn't too much I found online regarding like actually work about this. I think I saw like a video from Flip Normals, but that was pretty much it. So what I'm planning to do now is just play around with it and see what I can do. There's like the one thing that I already know though, is like there's no undo. So you just kind of have to live with all the mistakes you make. Oh, and you have like the top bar. Wait, it's a bit annoying that it's not sticky. I wonder... Is there a way that I can have this be permanently up there? What does this do? Oh, it's a polygon tool. That's something, I guess. How do I... Outline, line type? Is this for... Oh, it's for this. Okay, I think I am beginning to understand. I still want this to be sticky though. What does the options do? Yeah, I don't know. I actually don't know. Okay. Just do the defaults, it's fine. Switch vector? Switch bitmap. Yeah, I don't know what it does. Interesting. I still want this top part to be sticky. It's really annoying that it's not doing my bidding. Keyboard shortcuts, help, Alchemy website. I don't think any of this will... I don't think any of this will actually be helpful. View full screen. Transparent full screen, load background image, upload image session. Is there no option to make... Okay, never mind, I give up. The software wins, I just have to live with the fact that I can't control that. That's fine, I guess. It's fine. Okay. Okay, what do I actually draw though? Let me... Hi, Silver Comet. I'm drawing... No, I'm drawing in Alchemy. Alchemy is a weird drawing software. It's pretty old, but it was mentioned in the Scott Robertson's How to Draw book. And I think the main appeal of the software is that it has a bunch of weird shape creation tools to get spontaneous things that you can work off on. Like if I do like the pull shape thing, it's like you get that. I don't know how to use this, but I think the idea is like you put stuff down, and you get like random shapes that you can interpret later on. So, not quite. I'm not drawing Alchemy, I'm drawing with Alchemy, or in Alchemy, I guess. Yes, I learned about the software in the Scott Robertson's How to Draw, which is also really old at this point, I think. It's like... like, it's the one book that everyone knows about, but no one actually uses, if that makes sense. It is very technical and very much, what do you call that? Unintuitive. Like, the methodology described in the book is very perspective heavy, very constructive heavy. And since now we have 3D in the industry, like, for any perspective heavy tasks, it becomes a bit pointless to use in a way. Which is a bit of a shame, because the technical drawings you can make with these techniques are still very impressive. Huh. Type shape distortion? Yeah, okay, this is going a bit too... Yeah, I don't know what to do with this, honestly. It's... maybe just create a few shapes and then do some drawing on top of that, depending on what you're seeing. That was like the most sensible way of using this. I think I see something. I think I see something in this. I think I can do a thing. Oh yeah, also about the program. You only have one layer. There's no undo, no redo. One layer, a bunch of shapes. That's all you're getting. So it's not very user. I mean, there's an auto-generate thing. Oh, that's funky. Okay, so now I got this. So maybe I can actually like do some stuff there. Maybe that. What I'm seeing right now, like there's the face here. I'm not really practice. I don't even know what I'm. I just want to play with it. Practice is, I think, is a strong word if I don't even know what this program is even capable of. What the title of the book is? Scott Robertson's How to Draw. Let me... I think it's this. It should be that. Oh yeah, also I can't pan around the canvas because you don't get to do that here. It's just, yeah, you just get one canvas. Okay. I think I'm slowly starting to understand though. Cool. Oh, that's funky. Okay, what if can I... And then there are effectors, so I think you have like things to create shapes and then things that you can affect on how the shapes are created, I guess. Okay. What does this do? Scroll. X shape? Yeah, I don't get this. Wait, oh my god, it's affecting the thing after it's drawn. Oh, that's funky. Maybe also put the displays on there. Okay, I don't know if I like the displays or not. Oh god, I don't... This is... Yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, maybe don't. Okay, I think I can do something with this though. It's like a funky pen tool. Okay, also maybe put the transparency back to 100. Okay, now creation tool, I want to have the... Do this again. Okay, that's not working. It's just shape creation tool. So if I do this now, I might actually be able to like work some details on here. Okay, maybe no more gradients. Get some more clearly clearer defined lines. Oh yeah, there's no undo. Ah, I forgot about that. Okay, I think I should use more of the random tools though. Mic shape? What is... Oh, it's picking up my mic and like doing the audio wave on the... That's amazing. That's actually amazing. Oh my god. Okay, wait. But why is it so displaced? Why is it not on the cursor? Do you have like an effect on that? No. That's... Volume. Okay, I don't know why this... I feel like it's like this is just a bit broken, I think. Okay, no, okay, now it's not working anymore. That's a bit annoying. Oh, that's too bad. That's actually insane though. Okay, I think let's start over. I think there's a lot of things on the can, or maybe no. Instead of just deleting everything, I should just do on top of it. I think it's more effective. Splatter shape. Invert that. So if I do this and then affect that with a displace. It is so chaotic. That's amazing. Oh my god, that's kind of cool. Yeah, okay, never mind. I think maybe I should be resetting. Pull shape. Pull shape. And use that instead to get the It's very abstract, that's for sure. Oh my god. But I yet have to make anything that looks decent. Like, I mean, it also doesn't help that the way this works is very much not the way I like to work, with building up a sketch over time. Because all of the shapes there are very bold, very black and white. It's like difficult to sketch the way I like to sketch, basically. But maybe I am maybe it's a thing of just getting used to it. Okay, now that I have this, I can use a just shape tool again to maybe get something in here. Okay, that's not helping. Maybe turn off the transparency. Yeah, a gradient. Turn off the gradient. And also the displacement. So maybe... What if I put like the... Wasn't there like a thing that did auto-generation of shapes? Type shapes, and then to like auto-generate? Maybe switch them around? Okay. Maybe lower the transparency, switch that around again. Okay. Oh my god. This is a mess. It's a delightful mess, but nonetheless it's a mess. Okay, let me actually think about what I want to draw now though. Because apparently just going with whatever is not working in my favor. I think I can just maybe like draw a wizard or something. Something nice and simple. So... go back to the shape tool. Yeah, okay. So maybe I can carve out like a head. Okay, do like some folds in here. Nope, that's not really working. Okay. No, I got this. I need to stay confident. Giving up early is not gonna do me any good. Yeah, I don't think this is going anywhere either. Okay, this is a struggle, that's for sure. I don't really know how to use this. Okay, let's do something with that maybe. Maybe there's something in a shape like that I can like pick up on. Maybe... Oh, no, not like that. Okay, I'm just gonna stick with this now. And just try to draw something on top of this. That was not my intention. Kind of displacement. Maybe I can... I feel like I'm not built for this program. How has my day been? Not too bad, not too bad. Honestly, like, most of my day just is consisting of, like, taking care of, like, my new kittens. I got, like, 3 new kittens. They're, like, kinda wild, so they are really scared of everything. And I just, like, run away all the time. So my main task is basically just stay around them and socialize. Like, make them less afraid of humans. They're really cute, though. Yeah, I mean, I have them for, like, roughly a week now. But they still are... It's still, like, quite a long way to go to become, like, trusting of people. Oh, there's one that's completely black. Then there's one that's black and brown. And one that, like, has a white belly and has, like, stripes of brown, dark brownish. All really, really cute. Like, I think the black one is the most pretty, but that's the one that's the most scared of everything. Well, it's a bit of a shame, but I will get them there. I will get them to be more okay with people, I guess. Okay, maybe I'm being too ambitious. Maybe I should, like, just try to, like, a character lineup or something. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that. So just... carve out some space on this side. Maybe just do like a character silhouette and then see if I can do something with that maybe. But oh no, I should do this on the other side. Okay, let's see if I can actually do something decent now. Honestly, this is way more difficult than I expected it to be. It's like, oh, funny drawing program with funky shape generation tools. That should be not too bad. But I stand corrected, it's really hard. But actually, no, there is a similar tool to this one in Critter. And I actually, oh my god, it's actually called Alchemy. It all makes sense now. The Alchemy brush and Critter is from Alchemy, the software. That's very cool, actually. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense because I think if I only were to use the simple shape tool, and here I think I can actually make something that looks okay. But that would be kind of defeating the purpose of using the software. I think so. I should focus on using the more abstract tools to get things rolling, and then maybe refine them with the like more accurate ones. Yeah, okay, that's... But like, I mean, I'm just gonna do like some characters like that to maybe get a bit more comfortable with the tool. It's also wild that it is so bare bones. You cannot select anything, you cannot move anything around. What you put down, that's what you get. Well, I suppose that's the design philosophy of there are no mistakes, you just do things, and then if you like them, you work on them. It's the philosophy like happy little accidents there. Oh my god. Maybe... Okay, let's see if I can make something out of this. Also, maybe no gradient tool, actually. I think I see something that I like. how long am I planning to stream? I don't know, I was thinking like maybe like 2 or 3 hours, something in between that, I think. I want to get back into streaming a bit more, because I've been realizing if I don't, I tend to be very lazy and don't do anything. Or like just don't do that much art. Like one of my recent projects wrapped up about like 2 weeks ago. I've been just kind of potatoing around since then. It's just obviously no good. I should do creative stuff and work on things. But if I don't have any concrete, what you would call that, concrete goals, it's very hard for me to get motivated to do anything. I'll give him like a creepy grin. No, that just looks... That just looks funky. Maybe something like this would be... Okay, I think this one didn't go too bad. I'm getting there. It's slow progress, but nonetheless, I think it's getting better. No, I gotta celebrate the small wins. Yeah, but I'm still not happy with the face. No. Yeah, maybe leaving it blank is the best idea in this. Maybe just start over again. No, but not like this. Just a flame head? No. Object heads are like a nice trope in character design. But I don't think I would want to go for that. It feels like a bit of a lazy solution if you don't want to draw a head. It's a bit of a cop-out. While it can very much just work really well. But for this, I kind of want to get an actual face. But not like that. Oh my god, why am I struggling so much with this? Maybe I will go for the cop-out and just make an object head. Because I'm getting kind of annoyed with not being able to draw this the way I want the way I want to. Whatever. I should be moving on to the next one. Okay, what to use next? What is a ribbon shape? Oh. Okay, maybe I can... Maybe I put the character there. Maybe I can put like something... Maybe I have like a little companion in here. Do I have... I have a gravity slider in this? Oh! Did not expect that. Oh wait, it's literally just like a ribbon. Like a physics sim. That's kind of cool. It feels really pointless as so many things in this program do. But nonetheless, very cool. What if I increase the... Okay, spacing. Oh, God. Yeah, okay, maybe not do this. Create shape. Okay, maybe let me just delete all of this. It's a bit too much, I think. But I do want to do something with the ribbon shapes. But it does look kind of cool. Good evening, Ice Cream 5556. How are you doing? Oh, I'm just realizing I'm not drawing where people can see. That's not good. Okay, then let me just clean. Maybe I should like mark this as off area to be like, yeah, I shouldn't put anything in this area here. Okay, that's the cutoff. That should be helping. But yeah, for what I'm doing, I am drawing in Alchemy. I first learned about this program in Scott Robertson's How to Draw, and the gimmick of it is like you have a bunch of random shape creation tools. It's only one layer, it's vector based, and there's no undo. Bye, Silver Comet. I'm good. I'm just drawing. It's fun. It's good. Though I am struggling with the controls of this program. It is a bit too random. I like to be in control for things I do, so I always struggle with random shape interpretation stuff. But I think it's like a matter of getting used to it. Probably. I think I need more factors. Okay, that's a bit weird. Maybe put this place as... Oh, no! What just happened? It just put away my... Okay, I don't like the repeat function anymore. Great shape. Okay, maybe... I mean... Whatever... I have this place elsewhere. Okay, maybe this is giving me like an option to like do some line drawing on this though. It's not too bad. Rambert's process? I don't think I've heard about that. The lasso sort of tool. Like, the only thing that I know is that the lasso sort of tool, the critter function that has like an equivalent tool like that is named after Alchemy. Which is pretty cool, I think. So even this program had like its last update, I think 6 years ago. It still like lives on inside of Critter. But you know, I kinda messed this up a bit too much. Ah! Okay, maybe I can save. Maybe I can save this. Probably not though. Okay, let me reset everything and do something from scratch. Okay, like since I have things reset now, I feel like I can do like more random shapes again. Also, maybe don't do the gradient. Maybe actually, okay, maybe go like for full black and white for a change. Because while the gradients are very cool, it feels like they make things more muddy than they need to be. Just reset again. All shapes? Bone. Only bone shapes. Okay, I think I see something. I think I see something I like. So let's see. Like a fish or something with a horn, maybe? And there's like a thing like that, and here's like a cow face. Like some sort of face. I can imagine. I have a bit of trouble like filling in the top though. What that could be. Okay, never mind. Let me do the shape tool once again. Because it's like... Yeah, I'm not a creature designer. I wish I was, because I feel like that would make all of this a lot easier. Yeah, no, never mind. Maybe I saw something and then I messed it up. Okay, maybe I see something in this though. Is there any way I can lower the opacity of the canvas I'm on right now, or... Why am I asking? Of course there's not. I think I should know by now that the idea is that you don't have control of anything in this program. But, yeah, no, it's hard to accept. I just like to be in control of my things. Okay. I think I'm getting somewhere. Oh wait, I messed up the sort. The handle should obviously be at the top. Oh no. Like the back of the hands. Where's the thumb? I think it should go there.
There's a threshold you cross when the book starts to turn. It's a rook cheating your presence of peace. Stories rewrite, stars fleet the night, judging the cover by look. There's a dusty old line in the sand, blown to bits by my past. No longer tempted
I'm back. I'm just gonna delete all the random doodles and maybe do another page with more smaller thumbnail designs, because honestly, I think that's what the software is kind of designed to do. Doing more fleshed out things is probably not the best idea. Okay, let's delete all of this. Actually, might as well like export this one. Okay, goal is small thumbnails, I think. Oh God, what did I do? Oh. Well, that's interesting. Um, yeah, let's try to not do that again. Lesson learned, I should not mess with the colors. I have a lot of trouble seeing a face in this, or like anything in this one specifically. I think I can manage with the rest, but this is... What even is this? Ah. Maybe I have something that could work. Jungle phobia. What the fuck is this app? Yeah, okay, This is Alchemy. Welcome to Alchemy. This is one of the greatest things to ever exist because I learned about this years ago in the Scott Robertson's How to Draw book. And I think this app had its last update 6 or 7 years ago. At least that is what I saw on the GitHub. And the main idea of it is that everything is vector-based. You can generate a bunch of random shapes with a bunch of random tools. There's no undo, no redo. And yeah, that's basically it. So I think the intention is to generate a bunch of stuff and then bring that into a different program to do the sketching over it. So yeah, I think it's just like a fancy app to do thumbnails with, I think. Piotr Jablonski. Oh my god. I don't know that one. I don't know Piotr Jablonski. Jablonski? Yeah, I'm just gonna say Jablonski. I give up. But I will do Google that name because it does sound interesting. You know, I think the idea was like, I think the app is made for concept artists to really just do thumbnails with. Oh my god. Oh wait, that's Piotr. Oh, that guy. He uses Alchemy? That's sick. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, for me it's kind of the first time playing with it to any significant extent. So things are rough, I think. I think the first hour or so I didn't manage to produce anything of noteworthy quality. And because most of the tools are designed in a way where they just generate a bunch of stuff, which is really cool. I mean, that is what it is designed to do. But I like to be in control of everything I do and like to build up my sketches layer by layer, like a pencil drawing, basically. And all of these things, they go kind of against the philosophy of this program. But that being said, I think I'm slowly getting to something where I'm like, oh yeah, no, I can do this. It doesn't look that bad anymore. Maybe it's also just because like I do like smaller drawings, so they don't look that bad. But you know, I think it's fun. In general, I believe it is kind of lame how few experimental drawing apps there are. Most people, they are like use Photoshop, Krita, Procreate, Clip Studio Paint, and all of them are really similar in nature. There's not really... I mean, they all behave kind of the same way. And Alchemy, this app is older than 6 years. Last update 6 years ago. And I feel like it's kind of a shame that we don't get more of these weird experiments more often. And trust me, I've been looking around. I've been looking around for weird drawing applications, and this is, I think, as far as you can get. There is, I think I found like 2 other ones. I don't have the names at the top of my head, but I do want to experiment with them. Actually, no, graphite. I think it's graphite, or like black ink. I think it was a layer-based. It was a layer-based drawing application. They were updating that till I think 2 or 3 years ago, but now it's also discontinued, which I suppose makes sense because having a layer-based drawing app for creative people, no flag against 2D artists. But I feel like having layer-based things is like by nature more technical than having something not layer node-based. I meant to say node-based. Having something node-based is inherently more technical than having something layer-based. So having a layer-based drawing app being made for 2D artists that tend to be more on the like intuitive than technical side is a recipe to like not have too big of a success, I think. But yeah, no, I definitely want to try that out as well at some point. But yeah, no, this is my life now. I live in this program. I think I also said this earlier, but apparently there is an Alchemy brush inside Krita. It's literally just called Alchemy, and it's the same sort of tool I'm using right now to like draw all the shapes in here. And even though I think it's really fun, because even though the program has been dead for like quite a few years at this point, there's still like remnants of the tool remaining in other software, and I think that's so cool. What else was there? Because yesterday I was just looking around the web for weird drawing apps, and I found some small itch.io projects. The thing that I found was called Wiggle Paint. And that one was basically a the line ball. You know, like the line ball effect that you get in a lot of animatics or like short animations, where you have like the still drawing and the lines wobbling around to give it the illusion of movement. And the program basically did this while you were drawing it. In general, I feel there's a missed opportunity of using GPU shader effects on a live canvas to distort it to some extent, or not. I think it would be so cool if we had more of that. But yeah, I mean, the question of this is always the utility. How useful is that actually going to be for people? More often than not, I fear the answer is not really. Because the fact alone that we don't really have a active competitor to Photoshop, I think is really telling on how set in stone everything is. And having something like that be like viable, if it's not an absolute passion project and open source, it's very unlikely. But yeah, no, I think I will definitely do another stream where I will test out more funky software. Because even though at the beginning very frustrating, right about now I'm beginning to have fun with this. Also, maybe I just wasn't warmed up in the beginning. I probably wasn't warmed up in the beginning. And I do definitely want to like use some other shape generation tools for this as well. Because this is only using the I think shape pull tool and the this one. It's the what? Style fill. Like it's kind of like lasso, but it fills it in immediately as you draw. I've been only using these two things for this entire like lineup of sketches. Which is fine. But at the same time, I'm feeling I'm missing a lot of the opportunities of what this program is offering. I don't like this. I don't like this, no. Okay, let me just delete all of that and then... I think I see a face in this. Yeah. Well, that should do. Having like a hooded guy again. I say again, but in this lineup I don't even have a hooded guy. So even though it's a bit of a cop-out, it's fine. Not everything can be very unique. I do want to clean all of this up. I think right now this one is my favorite. Since it looks the most clean. All the others feel a bit still messy in nature. So I should probably put some effort into cleaning up the silhouettes. Okay, this one also kind of feels like a cop-out, since I just put like a dude on a funky rock structure. Didn't really use any of the shapes for the actual design of it. I suppose it's fine. Not everything can be so very unique. I do like... No. This one kind of looks to me like a guy is working on a thing. I don't know what the thing is, but he's definitely doing something to it. Like one hand goes there. And the other one is holding something. Maybe I can... Maybe something like this. And then make this an actual device as well. I think that works. Okay. The bottom left is still quite abstract, even though I put a bunch of work into that already. At the same time, I don't really know what to do with this. Should be fine, should be fine. Just gotta stay positive. Thanks, Michael. See you around. Goodbye. I mean, at this point, I basically deleted the entire drawing I had before and just did something else, but it's fine, it's fine. Okay, for this one, I still see some sort of a tail in this bone structure. So I guess I should be working my way back from this. Oh, I'm over the tail. Oh well, that's okay, I guess. Just can't work on that too much then. if I have like legs like this? No, that's not working. Okay, I think this was like a pretty successful lineup of sketches. Okay, I think I can save this now. Control E to export. It's gonna be SVG003. Actually, I think, yeah, it has been like about 2 hours of me streaming and drawing stuff. Yeah, no, I think I will call it here. If anyone who joined, thanks, and I hopefully will be streaming more often. Bye!